Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a face shield. So first, what are you going to need? You're going to need a plastic or acetate. It's about 11 inches wide. You're going to use a foam of some sort. This one is neoprene foam. They're all from Amazon, and this is kind of hard, so I would find something that's softer. This one also has an adhesive backing to make it easier. Otherwise, you can always use the glue gun. It's just more work, I think. And you're gonna use a Coban. This is what we use in the hospital. It's kind of stretchy. And this is 22 inches long. And of course your glue gun, your pair of scissors. What else do we need? Oh, popsicle sticks. I use this to, with my glue gun so I don't burn my fingers. All right, so basically it's actually just two steps. First you take your foam, remove the adhesive backing, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this at the top, kind of like in the middle part. Kind of just like eyeball it. There you go. So you're almost done. All we gotta do now is put the Coban around it with the use of the glue gun to kind of hold it in place and put it on your head. So first, put this tape right here with your glue gun. I would start with that to get you started. Okay, so that's in there. Now we're gonna put glue gun everywhere, all over this top. Use your popsicle stick. All right. And so we're gonna finish this off by putting the glue here, the hot glue gun. So at least I put like an inch or more, just to make sure that it's secured. And that's it, you're done. There you go.